Trekking actually, to be honest with you, is very dangerously in terms of, because we are riding on our tri bike and it's only 150cc engine, so I'm just Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are here right now in Andijan bridge, and our plan to hit Baguio today, and let's see. Shirley, what do you say?
Inshallah, we will.
We will.
Yeah.
So we have actually the opportunity, we can, but it's 50-50. Let's see, we are going to try. But I believe till Baguio we will reach, we will have plenty of different kinds of landscapes, and so I'm happy, even though I'm not able to go inside the Baguio, so at least we will having a very good vlogs.
Yeah.
Right. So as you can see that behind me right now, we are actually on the top of this Andijan bridge, and that's a beautiful, we have the mountains trekking all over. So here actually I put my navigation, so as you can see that it's all the, let me go and connect again. So it's 1 hour 10 minutes. So there is actually, we are here already on Andijan bridge. So from here 1 hour 16 minutes, and then another is 1 hour 29 minutes, and in middle 1 hour 10 minutes. So we are using this one because we will go, it's a matter of only 6 minute distance. Hopefully we will catch it, we will grab it. So we are going to start in a while.
Head south.
Yalla, bismillah. So our journey is continue, and we are just stopping patch by patch where I am finding some amazing view. As you can see behind me, it's just only a start actually, to be honest with you guys. So I am expecting much more like, you know, mountains and falls. The water comes from the above, from the mountains. So it's just amazing and awesome. It's unbelievable to explain, because if you are over here, so you can enjoy much more. It's such a great landscape over here behind me. And as you can see that the trekking actually, to be honest with you, is very dangerously, in terms of, because we are riding on our tri bike, and it's only 150cc engine. So I'm just having a trouble, because I have a mate Ali with me. So just he's sitting behind me, and we are going slowly and steady. And definitely, because I'm just recording video as well, so probably I'm gonna attach it very soon. So this is the bike actually. So you are familiar with me, this is my bike. So I have cameras. I'm just going to close, so in order to save my memory card memories. It's very awesome. No, it's okay. So I'm just over here. So I'm sure actually the water, this one is colder water, because the air which comes from down, it's colder. Oh my god, these dogs are coming. हाँ, वहाँ बराई ने आ भी जाना था यार, राइट? साथ में बैठा देते इसको। हाँ, चलो लेट्स मूव। मज़ा आ गया। What is this one, Ali? The road name? Do you know any idea? Anapol Bridge. Actually, from Andijan.
Anapol.
No, from Andijan.
Anduyan.
Yes, sorry. So, what we did actually, we shouldn't be, because we follow the track in order to go to Baguio. We came to Andijan Bridge, and then from Andijan Bridge we came to
Boundary of-
Anapol Bridge towards Baguio. So there is a check. Which point?
Bingit.
Bingit.
Checkpoint.
Bingan checkpoint. So the security people over there, they said no, they will not recommend us to go, because this is too many cases ahead on this side particularly. And they had warned us, actually not only one COVID, there is Delta and so many. I'm not much familiar with those names, so he mentioned 4. So that's why we are not able to go ahead. But on the top I had some aerial shooting, so I'm going to attach with this particularly vlog. So my apology that I was not able to make to Baguio, but still, you never know. It's clicked to my mind, if we will go down and we have time, probably we will take another road and we will go. Maybe not today, maybe another day. So inshallah, so that's why we came back over here. So in order to pass our time, so I'm just going ahead to this fall. So let's go.
भैया ये बता रहा हूँ ऐसे ही है, ठीक है, ऐसे रास्ता है वो।
जी
भैया लेकिन आगे खाई है उससे और जीरो ग्रेविटी है। अब तो खाई है भूख लग गई।
just watch your step.
आप जब भी जाओगे ना तो आपको वो नजर आएगा वो जाते हुए।
So as we are approaching towards the waterfall, the sound is increasing.
आपको कुछ देख गया ना भाई? Go from there.
No, I'm just having a view from this angle, but no, might be you
Let's see where
cannot.
the water is coming from.
Yeah, let's see.
Stop and-
So it's very awesome view, and the water, I believe it came down from this above mountain all the way down, and then to here.
What is
Ali,
this is deep.
can you please just hold a second, please? Thank you, sir. So from this side actually is more than 6 feet, maybe like 7 feet or 8 feet.
This is deep or no? No, I think so.
No, this is not deep. I'm just saying this one, this point.
But this is inside, I think so. No, no, it's not deep.
No, not much deep, because but they make it purposely. I don't know. I'm not much technically strong, because to give the flow to the water,
Yeah.
so they make it like this kind of stench or something, because you can see here is stiff.
Yeah,
Like you can see not easily the
Block the
face.
water,
Yeah.
But the pressure is fast. It's
Yeah, that's why they want to make it this pressure up.
But why there are 2 pipes there? What is the purpose? Maybe the
I'm not-
water collect inside here, inside this one. It came down from
Yeah, I think this is the one.
Yeah. Because you know the water is here.
Yeah.
It's not all cemented. So maybe the water is going under the,
This is like a channel trunk, so it's
Yeah.
going down. It's
Wait.
gathering here.
and you see the water is coming there
Yes,
outside
yes,
a bit
yes,
bit
yes.
water.
True. But believe me, it's nice.
You want I go there? Here?
No, don't go. You cannot go come up from here.
You are the one to carry me up.
No, it's not easy. It's like, see, you are not a commando man.
No, I
Don't try to do that. If you want it, but no,
No,
it's
I don't
very
do,
dangerous. Yeah, Don't try to do any stupidity here.
It's okay, you can.
This gentleman, he is trying to do some stupidity, so I'm just stopping him. I'm giving him warning, so don't do that. We are just nowhere in the middle of somewhere.
But you can show for the vlog. You can go near.
Yes, yeah,
Me, I'm the one.
definitely.
Go near.
So hi guys, welcome back again, and unfortunately I wish we should go more beyond this one, so we can capture more such fantastic and awesome views, but unfortunately we are not able to approach to the Baguio, and that's our disappointment today. But at least we had some awesome views, which right now I am here, and as you can see that it's like a bowl and we are in the middle, and you can see all is covered by all the mountains, and it's such a amazing. Actually here the a bit little, because of the sunlight, is a little bit warm, but when we was ahead little there, we had approached the checkpoint, it was a bit colder.
But the temperature, the
Yeah.
air is still cold. You can feel
Yes, still
the
because of the sunlight, just there is a warmness,
yeah.
but otherwise it's quite very good, fantastic weather, and so awesome. So I hope you guys like this my particularly vlog for today, and you had enjoyed along with me. Definitely the feelings, the way where I am and what I am in that place particularly is awesome physically, because in reality when you are over here, so it's really awesome. But of course with 4K reality picture, it will give you more awesome feeling, and I hope you can watch this my particularly vlog while you are on your mobile phones or on TV, smart TV, whatever your gadgets or device you are watching me. So I hope you will guys like and particularly subscribe my this channel. For those people who they did not subscribe my channel, so please like and subscribe, and because this will give me more motivation towards my efforts, towards my approach, towards my struggle, that all the way we are coming over here to bring you some awesome places to explore through my daily life stuff channel. So wish you all the best, stay blessed and healthy. Assalamu alaikum.
पूरा सजा रहा है यार यहाँ पे।
अंदर वो जंगल होगा।